morning, madam. My name is Higashini and my matrix number is 281707. I am from Group 9 and our assignment is titled as The Impact of COVID-19 on Malaysia Economy in Labour and Employment. Our research question is why we must care for foreign workers, while our research objective is to elaborate the importance of protecting foreign workers in Malaysia. Today I'll be presenting the introduction and also the research background of our assignment. The COVID-19 pandemic has grown into health, socio-economic and humanitarian disaster that was so unexpected. Everyone panicked not knowing what to do since no one imagined something like this would happen. The situation was getting complicated day by day. It was only the first quarter of year 2020 and Malaysia was falling into debt, financial difficulties, falling oil prices, trade and tourism ramifications as a result of global shutdown. To stop the infections from increasing, Malaysian government had to implement MCO, Movement Control Order, in March 2020. That was extended few times until the 12th of May 2020. The COVID-19 pandemic didn't only affect Malaysians but had a great impact on foreign workers too. Due to the pandemic, foreign workers' rights were neglected. It is very important to protect foreign workers in our country since they play an essential part in our country's economic development. Coronavirus disease 2019, also known as Covid-19, is a rare pneumonia disease that was originated in Wuhan. That has been identified the World Health Organization (WHO) in December 2019 before it became a pandemic in other nations. Malaysia implemented a tight screening process at all airports following the news of the first case outside of China in Thailand. As of 4 April 2020, Malaysia had documented 2 waves of COVID-19 cases, which the first wave ending successfully in less than 2 months. In early March 2020, the second wave arrived, bringing it with varying circumstances. On March 18, 2020, the Malaysian government imposed a movement control order, known as MCO, in order to break the COVID-19 chain. The COVID-19 pandemic had a great impact on small and medium enterprises and also foreign workers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nusrah Al-Hashimiyah binti Muhammad Ilyas, matric number 279899. Here I will share about our importance of the study. Overall, our study is about significance of protecting foreign workers in Malaysia throughout the pandemic period. Firstly, this study able to make many parties aware to be sensitive in safeguarding the human rights of foreign workers, especially government policy that plays an important role. Second, learn from our neighboring countries such as Singapore that stresses that conditions of life and obtaining healthcare are motivated foreign workers to be exposed to COVID-19. Thus, we know that we need improve the health system in Malaysia when dealing with foreign workers. The study also highlights that overcrowded housing in narrow areas, overcrowded occupants lead to the spread of epidemics among foreign workers. This shows that the real critical level due to the unemployment rate of foreign workers in Malaysia during the COVID-19. The last one is we acknowledge that ignoring the rights of foreign workers actually leading to increased costs to treat COVID-19 cases.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Siti Rawatu Jana binti Haji Ali and my matric number is 284550. So I will be presenting the literature review. For this literature review, we have highlighted 2 things, which are the COVID-19 and the foreign workers in Malaysia, and also the importance of foreign workers in Malaysia. We have found many journals which have discussed the same issue as our title. So I'll go through one by one. So the first one, International Labour Organization has stated that 244 million foreign workers are unskilled or semi-skilled labourers. So, Department of Statistics Malaysia have also stated in 2019, based on from their data from 2018 Labour Force Survey, Malaysia has 2.2 million foreign workers, which is 15% of the country's working population. So Khalidi also have stated in 2020 the population climbed from 4 million to 7 million, with undocumented foreign being the majority of the group. So Sananda Sami also have stated regarding the Covid-19, Malaysia recorded 6,467 Covid-19 illness of May in 2020, and also 4,776 patients, with 19% in critical care units. So Ramadan also have stated that in 2020 that those who lost their working permits, causing them to become illegal and run the risk of being jailed. Also, OSINI have also stated in 2007, which is it is still argued whether or not using foreign labourers in countries' manufacturing process would benefit in economic success. Moving on to the importance of foreign workers in Malaysia. So Simon has discussed that some study discovered a positive relationship between economic development and foreign labourers, owing to their ability to provide work possibilities and also capital accumulation. Greenwood also had discussed in his study that entry of foreign workers will increase the demand for food and service in destination economies, hence increasing the rate of return on investment and capital accumulation. Other than that, Noor also has stated in 2020 that the country's strong dependence on foreign workers may attribute largely to Malaysia's economic structure, shifted to more labour-intensive, one tilted toward low and semi-skilled employees. So Dixon also have discussed in his study that complementary interaction between foreign workers and local employees. So Zimmerman also have stated in his studies that presence of foreign workers improve capital creation and offers new employment prospects for local people.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Iza Inshirah binti Muhammad Azam Azhar, number matric 2X0625. Here we have section 3, which is methodology and findings. In methodology, the research use mixed method refers to an emerging the research. This can encourage of mixing the quantitative and qualitative data with a single study or long-term investigation program. Moreover, the study also highlights the containment measure implemented by the Malaysian government and the authorities in protecting of foreign workers during the COVID-19 pandemic. Next, this data shows about the annual percentage change at coastal prime of Malaysia gross domestic by quarter from 2019-2021. In 2019, the third quarter has declined, which is 4.5% due to manufacturing sector because of the decline percentage from electronics, petroleum, chemicals, rubbers and plastic products. This is also same in the service sector, where the decrease is due to change in taxes and lower wages. In addition, between 2019 to 2021, the country's economy experienced challenges in the second quarter of 2020, where there was a significant downward change compared to the first quarter, which is negative 70.2%. This is because of the implementation of PKP, PKPP and PKPB, also due to MCO factors being too long and cost-limited business activities occurring. So, this will cause the labour market has also been affected and many lost their jobs, including foreign workers. And the last one is, the Malaysian economy performed well in the second quarter of 2021, where has shown a significant increase of 16.1% due to two causes. The first one is, expansion was influenced by raising household consumption and favorable export growth on demand. And the second is, there is continuous expansion in the manufacturing sector and service sectors in terms of supply, where mostly foreign workers are work in service also and manufacturing sector. So, I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafika binti Azmi. My matric number 264512. I will talk about section 4, summary. The Malaysian government approach during pandemic COVID-19 among foreign workers are discussed in this research. Despite chance that Malaysian immigrate and bully foreign workers during pandemic, the government is taking proactive and concerned with seeking to promote human welfare to foreign workers. As a result, we emphasize in this research that caring for foreign workers is also practical. Neglecting a person's fundamental health care requirement is a great breeding ground for a larger community spread that can the danger of putting a load on the public healthcare system. To fully protect their health and labor rights during pandemic COVID-19, we must ensure that employers of foreign workers in critical service identify and minimize all hazards of COVID-19. Employees should give information on workplace safety, health management, and cleanliness standards. Employers must guarantee that labor during MCO obtain their pay and wages in agreement. Establishing an amnesty scheme for undocumented foreign workers to encourage them to be tested. Isolated them with better housing options. That's all from us. Thank you.